Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this Lincoln build. We're down here in our Cross Street Classics storage facility, and it's Lincoln Mark IIIs as far as you can see, with the exception of a Cougar over here. So this is the one parts car we just picked up here a couple months ago. I was going to start pulling interior out of it, but I decided just to leave it go for now. This is the donor car that we got, and I want to get these quarter panels off, and you basically get this car parted out. This car is it's not in good shape at all. The roof's bad, interior's junk, and it doesn't run. So it's strictly a parts car for sheet metal and some other incidentals that somebody may be needing. And this is the car that we're going to restore, so we're going to get it out here too. I'm going to look and see what I need to cut off of this one, and start doing some metal work. So let's get this one up to the other shop and start hacking. Okay guys, so we got this car, our parts car here, pretty much stripped down to everything we want to take off it, other than the quarters. Got all the body mount bolts out. There's 4 bolts in the lower trunk, 2 bolts in the upper trunk, 2 bolts in here, and then there's 4 bolts where the bottom of the cowl meets the frame. So I got all that out. Got these power steering lines unhooked here. Brake lines unhooked. All the hoses, everything that goes to the engine's unhooked. All the ground straps are unhooked. I don't know of anything else that should be keeping the body hooked to the frame, but we're going to find out here. So I'm going to readjust the arms on the lift and see if we can't get this off the frame and roll the frame out of here. All right, well, we got the frame out from under this parts car here. This is a really nice frame. Zero rust in this one.